Namaste, children. How are you all? Hope you are safe. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, Communication in Modern Times. Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. You know, children, in the early state, the man used sign language, cries, shouts, etc. to communicate each other. Gradually, there is a lot of development happen and it become spoken language and they started to write script that is written language. In earlier times, written messages were delivered by pigeons and horse riders. In that time, there was no postal departments, letters, or anything. They used only the animals like pigeons and horse as mediators. Then the postal department has developed and could connect even the remotest places. And the major development in the means of communication was the invention of telephone. It has enabled us to make instant contact with anyone in any part of the world. Personal communication. It is the communication between the sender and the receiver. For example, letters, fax, telephone, etc. Mass communication. It is a means of conveying a message to a large number of people at the same time. For example, radio, television, newspaper, books, etc. Mass communication. Modern means of communications have made human communication instant. It has brought a great change in the way people think, share their ideas, spread awareness and education, spend their leisure time, etc. One of the modern means of communication is mobile phones. You know, nowadays, even you are using mobile phones or other electronic gadgets to study, isn't it? It has become the most popular means of communication. It provides a lot of service to mankind. Text messaging is a most popular, instant, convenient, and cheapest form of communication through a mobile phone. It is known as SMS or short messaging service. All this you know well how to do, etc. Satellites. Children, you know about the satellites. Man-made satellites and natural satellites are also there. Then what is the use of these man-made satellites? So many uses we have, but man-made satellites are used for telecasting television programs. It can be viewed from any part of the world. Satellites help to arrange teleconferencing and video conferencing also. Internet. It is a great source of communication, information, and entertainment. It is playing an important role in all the phases of human life like education, industry, business, healthcare, traveling, entertainment, etc. Email. Email is the most popular way of personal or business communication. It is the quickest means of transmitting messages, images, or any type of data. It is generally quite secure. We can send even voice messages also through email. We can use the internet service through a mobile phone also easily. Twitter. It is a popular social networking site. It was created in 2008. It is unique in a way that users can write messages from either their computers or from their cell phones. The concept of Twitter revolves around the idea that People can stay updated without spending a lot of time. In this modern world, means of communication has developed a lot. Even newspapers continue to be the daily source of news, education, sports, etc. Video conferencing. It is conducting a conference between two or more participants who are at different places by using computer networks by using computers network to transmit audio and video information. Each participant has a video camera, microphone and speakers on their computers. As the two participants speak to one another, their voices are carried over the network and heard by the other participants through their speakers. The image that appears in front of the video camera can be seen on the other participants' monitors. This mode of communication is perfect for staff meetings where the members are in different cities or countries. It saves travel time and money spent in booking conference halls, travel tickets, hotel, food, etc. Teleconferencing. It is the exchange of information between people who are not at the same place physically. It helps to exchange information with the students and teachers. Business companies can conduct meetings, trainings, demonstrations, and workshops through this teleconferencing. It requires either a simple conference type speakerphone and speaker systems to exchange information and ideas with others. Children, in spite of all this communication offered by the modern means of communication, to exchange the information, ideas very instant, but it has some bad effects of people on it. The modern means of communication have harmed the social skills of people. Even in pandemic conditions, you are sitting at home and learning. Teachers are also teaching through these communication medias only. Many people are working from home also. Even then, some bad effects, or they have bad effects on people. They have forgotten the joys of getting together and talking to each other. People waste their precious time in surfing, chatting, and messaging. It can be an addiction, and it hurt our communication skills. People face their many health problems like sleeplessness, loneliness, information explosion, increase of anxiety and depression. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. Modern means of communication. Thank you.